All right, it's time to get this thing to the fabricator. Today's the day we load it up and haul it over there, so that can be a big surprise. But before we go, I wanted to let you know that we got the transmission mounts in. And I ordered these from Cartech. And here's what they look like, just in case you're curious. So we got the new engine mounts, which would go here, just in case they have to refab those up. We've got the forward trans mount, which is here, and that would go something like this right here. And you can see holes line up perfectly. The other trans mount would go just like so. Anyways, I thought you would find that interesting if you're looking to do this. She's prepped and ready to go to the fabricators. Everything's been stripped out of the back. We got the wire harness, everything is accessed. What he's probably going to end up having to do is relocate the gas tank mount. It's going to have to come up because the other transmission's at least an inch taller, so we may have to raise the whole tank up an inch. We have enough CV angle where we can move everything back a few inches. I remounted the engine in the cage because I think that's a lot easier for to transport it over there. I will throw the tank in and take it over there also. The radiator, I got it just stabbed back in there. He's going to have to relocate that because the whole engine is going to probably come up an inch or so. So we got quite a bit of work to do, and I'm excited to see how it turns out. And I hope that you guys will subscribe and stay tuned and follow along. So we're getting ready to load it. And we'll also have to get the S4D monster loaded. There it is. We are all strapped down, ready to go. Who am I gonna be taking it to? That is the question. Who do I trust to do the welding on this machine? So we're in the truck on the way to the fabricators, and you might be shocked and surprised on who I'm gonna take it to. In the community tab, I'm gonna have a vote on who you think I should be taking it to, and might be right or wrong. In the next video, we'll display who I'm taking it to.